Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Got another email from somebody regarding trading bots as a passive income, regarding the service that I've put out there. So far, this is what we got. Interested in participating in our autonomous crypto stock scanner. It's trading signals as well, trades on your behalf. I'll show that in a minute. I have some reasonable prior experience with crypto trading and an ex-professional developer by trade. The technical requirements for setting up the client-side Python should not be a problem. For those that are new to it, if you go over to my blog, quantlabs.net/blog, look for an article called, or a post called, Crypto Trading Quant Analytics Tutorials. In there, I just posted a brand new video under here called Quick Trading Signal Client Install and Usage Demo. So this video here called Trading Signal Email Client for Trading will demonstrate the one program that all you need, plus a configuration file to set up and get it working on your desktop. And it's really designed, as you can see here, for non-technical folks. Okay, so if you're not technical, this should help you out in being able to achieve receiving trading signals from myself, from the service, and be able to have it trade on your behalf while you're sleeping, in the weekends, or even your job or whatever. So you can just run it passively and we have passive income. That's what they said. So right now, for this person, it's not as much out of technical intellectual interest than making large sums of money. Been learning strategy backtesting using Quant Connect, using a number of signal services and bots within the crypto space, so I had a sense of the pros and cons within the area of general. Essentially, I see your system of interest with small passive income. It's probably what it really is. Reviewing your videos in P&L, it does appear positive, which it does. There'll be days where it doesn't trade because the market's going to range bound as well. There isn't a lot of data to go on, and I think I want to move quickly, give the bots higher capital in which to trade. Again, when it comes to going in with capital, I'd only put in what you can afford to lose. As a consumer of your service, there has to be a sensible return to pay for the service, and more importantly, the time put into management review at my side. Okay, like I said, it's going to send out signals to you. This little program that I've just highlighted here in this video, the background, that will take care of your automated trading for you. As part of the service, what I could do and may do, depending upon what people want, is have the ability to go full-blown education and give you trading targets on chances of this crypto pair, that crypto pair to trade, the ranking of cryptos for the last week, month, for the day, for whatever. There's a lot of ways I can attack it, and I can educate people on it beyond just providing a service with trading signals and it trades for you. Because there may be people like this that may be interested in learning more about that for the added value of what they pay for. So there's always that opportunity. I've been at this for 2 years, and I got so many scripts that I used to provide all that research if that was what people wanted. So do keep that in mind. And some people may be willing to pay for that. I found liquidity with some coins to be an issue. Yes, it is. That's why we only focus on the top 23, because we only focus on the ones that are listed on Binance Futures, which are either performing really well or fairly liquid enough to be able to get more consistent, profitable trades. Getting enough size in order to make it worthwhile sometimes is challenging, yes. The other thing that most people don't consider is when it goes into range bound, and then you have no trading opportunity at all. So therefore, we would want to focus on another strategy for mean reverting, like the markets are doing now. As an aside, I've been looking in your suggestion of MotiveWave. Objective being to find a tool which relatively allows algos to be created and trialed a non-programmatic way. Yes, MotiveWave allows that. Now, people have asked, I just did a call with somebody, why I don't use MotiveWave right now. And the only reason I don't use MotiveWave is because I like Python. I could do a lot with Python, but MotiveWave, I'm just waiting for the day when MotiveWave will live trade with Binance, not Bitstamp. If you follow my video on Bitstamp and, well, just Bitstamp itself, and the limitation Bitstamp has compared to Binance. Also, continuing along, It appears hugely comprehensive, but more focused on advanced elements like Elliott wave variations. One thing I will put out there that you need to be aware of Elliott wave, I tried it. I prefer harmonic waves, harmonic patterns that you can find in data and that you can get in MotiveWave as well. My plan algos are simple bar-based strategies related to simple double bottom 3-bar plays, etc. Okay, that's good to know. Depends how they perform for you. I mentioned this purely for background. Anyways, the bottom line is I'd like to try out the service. It'll be my ignorance. I'm not sure. I'm not clear from the videos and shop page. Yes, I gotta get that all updated on the Quant Analytics to bring it up to date to where it is and will go. But if you want, as I said, to get an overview of what the service will currently have, just come over to, as I said, this posting on quantlabs.net/blog. That's why I created this, because this contains everything you need to know about Binance Crypto, why crypto, how to get your API keys from there, and then just run with this program that I'm going to make available as an email client, as I said, that will receive emails, the signals delivered to you via email, be able to trade within the same program, and send out orders for that. Or, if you want, we have the ability to provide the similar script, and you can tweak it all you want because it's open source and make it available. And you can download that right here. So you can get a total idea of what the service will be about among the core of it. Visiting quantlabs.net, display a page without menus. I'd like to see a link somewhere in another email, I think. Yeah, like I said, I can provide the link here for this page. This should give you a really nitty-gritty, detailed overview of what this signal will have. If you let me know the next steps in terms of cost, setup, I'll look at progressing a purchase. Okay, so this is important. Because I've now gotten this kind of working, if you're on my email list, and if you want to get on my email list, just sign up anywhere on my blog. You'll get enter your name and email, subscribe now. That will get you into the list. And you will eventually get the emails for the offer. So right now what's going to happen is I'm looking at basically the once we go live with this, and you're on my email list and you're engaging on my email list, it's kind of critical, obviously. I'm probably going to make this available for a small number of people, maybe 5 people, 10 people, probably 10 people, as a test, so that we get everybody up and running, everybody up to the same level, making sure that the signals are working as they want, and being able to receive the signals, but also send out orders through this program I'll be making available. So that's the next step. That will be a monthly service. It'll be very affordable. What I've done years ago when I first launched quantlabs.net, how I did it was I had this exact same offer in terms of service. What it will be is it'll be like, I'm probably looking at $60 a month or something, plus the added on stuff as well, as I mentioned earlier. And then from there, once everyone's up and running, it shouldn't be that hard to do. And that's why I'm only keeping it maybe 10 people at the most. It's more manageable from my point of view, be able to smooth out the kinks and improve this program and the process of getting it installed, configure all that. And once I get past that, then I'll increase the price to $90. But here's the nice thing. If you do decide to go with this within the first 10 people, you'll be permanently staying at that price of $60. So you'll be permanently grandfathered in at that rate. And I've had many years, over 5, close to probably 7, 8 years, where people were paying for a service I had for less than $50, and that price never changed for that time period. Same thing here. And the price I'm hoping to get up to about $120 per month. But right now, for the first 10 people, I'll probably keep it under $10. Or sorry, for the first 10 people, I'll probably keep it around, as I said, $60, $70, and keep it in and around that and manageable on a monthly basis. And you stay on, you will be able to keeping that price grandfathered in permanently as long as you stayed in. And after that, anybody new coming in will probably pay a much higher price. And then once I'm happy with the progress and everything, then I'll move it up higher, because then I started going pretty hog wild on the advertising that I've been talking about for, it seems like, quite a while now. So that's the plan. But the plan is to get everybody up and running to a point where it's convenient for them. It's easy. They get everything working. And I think 10 people is much more manageable for myself. And then once we're at that point, then I can add in maybe another subset of people. And then once everything's tickety-boo, then I'll move it up. And everything's not, it's just going to get improved from what I'm showing on this page here that I've talked about, this page here on my blog at Crypto Trading Quant Analytics Tutorials. So that's what I'm moving towards over the next few days. So make sure you're on the email list and that you're engaged as well, because if you're not engaged, you won't get emails. That's just how it works. And meaning emails, just open it, click it, boom, you've already engaged. So, and that offer will go out to those kind of people on my email list. So just so everyone knows. And to get on that again, you can either go through any of these forms here, or I have just quantlabs.net is all you need to do. You get some free books as well. And just subscribe here. And I don't give away information, and it's all kept on my private server, and it's pretty, well, it's secure. It's just an email. And then we have the separate for the Shopify as well, for all the setup for all the stuff that you purchase through. But this service will be directly off my website for a monthly subscription if that's what you choose to do. All right, other than that, let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. And be on the lookout the next few days for the offer, and I'll be probably for the first 10 people at a very low price. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.